Okay, so this trade was taking, I think, today. I mean, it was taking yesterday at night, like late at night, and then it closed after like 12, maybe 15 hours. So yeah, it was from 2 a.m. to 5 p.m. or the next day. So what happened here is that pretty much price was, like on these, still on this range that I was trading. So then I realized there's a break of structure right here, but price failed to break structure here. So that was a bit concerning, but I decided to enter anyway, um, because price didn't quite swap liquidity right here, right? So what happened there is that on the 5 minute time frame, I marked this the breaker structure and then the range that I was willing to trade, and then like around here it was on the 1 minute time frame. Where is it? Okay, so yeah, so around here I decided to enter on this liquid sweep. From here I placed the entry, then stop loss above these highs, and TP was 3R, and I want to be really focused on the TP in specific, because it's okay. I got entered, I got triggered, and then price took way too long for to reach like somewhere, because price was pretty much consolidating around this area right here up until morning. And yeah, before going to bed I just placed this break even right here. So initially it was on 99, but then I changed to 89 because the swap fee was like $5, and then I didn't want to be on a break even with a maybe like some sort of $5 of loss. So I decided to move up a little bit back on to 889. So what happened there is that after this break of structure right here, so my trade was initially was 3R, right? Initially was 3R. So I would have been stop out here. My TP would have been triggered right here. But what happened is that I was just like a few dollars away from passing the funded challenge, and then I decided to move my TP a little bit below that, so I don't need to like enter on another trade just for like $20. And then that was a bit risky, and I should never move my TP again, maybe, because what happened there is that price did swap liquidity, right? I mean, like, it didn't quite swap liquidity from here, which was also concerning because price was starting pulling back, and it even created a mark shift on the 1 minute time frame. So that was really like, was really anxious about this trade in specific, because of this mark shift, right? And price like not hitting TP. I mean, me moving the price. Yeah, so pretty much what happened is that price started pulling back, and then the CPI, the GBP CPI news hit. So it was right here on this candle, and then what happened is that price immediately went to swap liquidity, but even though it crossed my TP, didn't close the trade. I was like so frustrated, and then price went up all the way here and swapped more liquidity, and then when price was here, was like, I was so frustrated that price would hit TP, I mean break even instead of TP. Yeah, like I wanted to close there, but like I just let it roll in because my break evens are set, so I have nothing to lose. And then fortunately price did hit TP right here. It's up a little bit more liquidity from this move here, so I was really lucky because price start to reversing. Look at that. So I would have like not lost. I mean I would have lost some like money if my TP wasn't hit. So this one specific was just like a bit of lucky mixture with carelessness, like me moving the TP risk ratio. That was just like not a good thing to do, because whenever I enter for a trade idea, I always need to look for what's going to happen in the market, not the expectation of what's happening, right? Of what will happen. So me moving this TP below the lower right here would basically mean that I'm pretty much betting that price will make another break of structure right here, which is not always the case. Price can always come back here and stop liquidity before pulling back. So that's like was just an anxious trade. That's it.